Donating a car in Maryland can be a rewarding way to support charitable causes while also enjoying potential tax benefits. However, the process may seem daunting if you're unsure where to begin. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the entire process of donating a car within the state of Maryland, including the necessary paperwork and the charities you should consider supporting. Step 1. Determine your car's eligibility for donation. Before proceeding, ensure that your vehicle meets the eligibility criteria for donation. Typically, charities accept cars in good working condition, but some may also accept vehicles that require repairs. Check with your chosen charity to confirm their specific requirements. Step 2. Choose a reputable Maryland charity. Selecting the right charity is a crucial decision in the car donation process. Research local Maryland charities that align with your values and causes you'd like to support. Verify that the charity is a registered 501(c)(3) nonprofit organization, as this is essential for tax deductions. Step 3. Contact the chosen charity. Reach out to your selected Maryland charity to express your intention to donate your car. They will provide you with guidance on their specific donation process, including any requirements or paperwork you need to complete. Step 4. Gather important documents. To streamline the donation process, gather the necessary documents, including the vehicle's title. Ensure the title is in your name and is clear of any liens or encumbrances. Vehicle history report. Obtain a vehicle history report to provide information about the car's condition and ownership history. Charity-specific forms. Some charities may require you to fill out additional forms to facilitate the donation. Step 5. Schedule a vehicle pickup or drop-off. Coordinate with the charity to schedule the pickup or drop-off of your vehicle. Many charities offer free towing services to make the process convenient for you. If your car is not in running condition, this is a particularly valuable service. Step 6. Complete the donation. When the charity arrives to collect your car, complete the necessary paperwork. You may need to sign over the vehicle's title and provide any additional documents requested by the charity. Make sure to obtain a receipt or acknowledgement of your donation. Step 7. Notify the Maryland Motor Vehicle Administration, MVA. To protect yourself from potential liability, notify the Maryland MVA of the vehicle transfer. This can typically be done by submitting a notice of transfer and release of liability form. Check the MVA's website for specific details. Step 8. Claim your tax deduction. Keep copies of all documents related to the donation, including the acknowledgement from the charity. When you file your federal income tax return, you can claim a deduction for the fair market value of the donated car if you itemize your deductions. Donating a car in Maryland is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. By choosing a reputable charity, completing the necessary paperwork, and keeping accurate records, you can make a meaningful contribution to a cause you care about while potentially enjoying valuable tax benefits. Remember to consult with a tax advisor or accountant for personalized guidance on maximizing your tax deductions. Your donation can make a positive impact in Maryland and beyond. Here are some organizations that accept car donations in Maryland. 1. Maryland Motor Vehicle Administration. The charity to which you may want to donate a vehicle must be licensed as a Maryland wholesale dealer. Wholesale dealers may not sell vehicles to a retail one. 2. Habitat for Humanity Metro Maryland. You can start your donation online by navigating to their donation wizard or call their hotline at 1-877-277-4344. Their team will ask you to provide information such as vehicle make, model, and location. 3. Vehicles for Veterans. For immediate scheduling of your vehicle donation, you can call 1-877-646-1976 to speak with a member of their staff. Alternatively, you can fill out an online donation form. 4. Maryland SP. See a vehicle donation program. You can call 855-550-GIV or 1,483, or complete their donation form online. They offer free towing and tax deductions too. 5. Goodwill Car Donation. You can fill out their online donation form or call their 24/7 operators at their toll-free number 1-866-233-8586. One of their local towing partners will come to pick up your vehicle for. 6. Maryland Public Television. You can call them at 410-581-4075 or toll-free at 1-888-777-9633 or complete their online request form to donate your vehicle 6. Before donating your car, make sure to research the organization and ensure that they are a legitimate charity. You should also check if they offer free towing and tax deductions.